Some people think the stock market is a scam, yet millions of people around the world use it to grow wealth. So how does money actually get made? In this video, I'll explain exactly how people make money in the stock market. No hype, no shortcuts, just how the system really works. Most beginners enter the stock market without knowing how money is made. When you don't understand this, emotions take over, and that leads to losses. The most common way people make money is through price growth. Let me explain price growth. You buy shares when their price is low and you sell them when the price goes higher. For example, if you buy a company's share at $100 and after some time the price becomes $150, your profit is $50 per share. This profit is also called capital gain. In this method, you don't need to trade frequently. Even long-term investors follow this same principle. Remember, this applies to both investing and trading. Only the time frame changes. The second method is through dividends. Some companies share their profits with shareholders. This is called a dividend. If you own shares of a company that pays dividends, the company may send you money every year or every few months just for holding the shares. This means you can earn money without selling your shares. Many investors buy shares mainly for this regular income, and it is common in long-term investing. In this method, investors focus on steady income, not daily price movement. Remember, not all companies pay dividends. If you are interested in making money through this method, you must buy shares of those companies that pay regular dividend. The third method is through long-term compounding. Compounding means reinvesting your profits. Reinvesting profits means using your earned money to buy more shares instead of spending it. For example, if you earn profit or dividends, you use that money to buy more shares. Now you own more shares, so your future profits can grow faster. This is how small money grows into big money over time. Time becomes your biggest advantage. Hence, in a nutshell, people make money through price growth, dividends, and compounding, not through shortcuts. Most beginners focus on making money fast. Successful market participants focus on staying in the game. Remember, stock market is not a lottery. It's a system that rewards patience, learning, and discipline. In the next video, I'll explain why most beginner traders lose money and how to avoid those mistakes. If you want to learn stock markets the right way, subscribe to the channel.